Okay, this image is going to be a night image, and it's basically going to be on Rua da Ressurreição, which is basically this little street, the Resurrection Street, which just goes a little cobblestone right next to Sao Paulo ruins, which is right there. And you can see Grand Lisboa. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk along this wall, but I'm up above, and I'm going to film down into it a little bit. Just because the lighting I think might be better. Oh, we'll do a little bit of both. But anyways, Ressurreição is our highlight. I actually got to see that street right there too. That's a really cool one. And then of course there's interesting stuff over here too. And stuff over here. This is just context before we go down. And the back of Sao Paulo ruins. Can you see that at the nighttime? And Grand Lisboa. So anyways, Ressurreição, that's our focus. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So Ressurreição, I guess what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to come up to Sao Paulo ruins just so you can give the full context of it. And then we're going to walk down the Ressurreição street, but that one is here. So I think that one is but before we go down, you should see what's going on up here. Because up here is Sao Paulo ruins, and it's also a tourist attraction, so you're going to see lots of people just kind of hanging out, enjoying their time here. Up there is Fort Mott, so there's cannons up there that you can overview the city. And then we have all this stuff, people, things. That's our Ressurreição street. There's a bunch of people in that ice cream shop right there. So we're gonna walk down the Ressurreição street, and we're gonna highlight a few things along the way, and then you can also see what it looks like from up above as well. So in a minute we'll be down there. So it's kind of a nighttime video, but I think it's I think it might be amazing, or it might not come out very well. That remains to be seen in production. Pretty cool. Actually, one of my friends, there's a little thing on the wall that says a cornerstone right here, which you can't quite see in the dark very well, but there's actually it's actually in a little case, but it says that it's the cornerstone, so that was where the foundation was, the original first stone. And I guess even though this Sao Paulo ruins, you know, went down and rebuilt and different stuff happened, and they still got the cornerstone basically. Maybe cornerstones never go down because they're the cornerstone. So our street, hello, how are you?
Hi.
So that's our focus right there. Ressurreição. Okay, so this street looks a little bit quiet, but it's okay. But you can see Sao Paulo ruins up there. You can see there's lots of tourists that are up on the top. But the reason I want to bring you down this way is because, for one, it has its own beauty to it. And number two, it has this really interesting street right here called Travessa de Paixão, Street of Passion. So this one has no more graffiti. Wow. Wow. Because this was the Street of Passion, people would carve their names into here. So they put these signs here, and then even despite that, they had all these names carved into all, like every inch of this. It looks like it's all like shaven down and cleaned up. But yeah, this Passion Street was kind of the like a lover's lane, I guess, basically. And people would always come and take pictures here, and the names would get scribbled all the time as well. Yeah, this was all just covered with names. I guess it's not like that anymore. so that's Pashao at Sao Paulo ruins right there. So we're gonna continue down Ressurreição. It's kind of cool when you see people like on the edge like that. There's the rickshaw. So actually that's kind of a cool image right there. There's the rickshaw. And then you got the Sao Paulo ruins up there. So you got the street sign. You got our focus street right here. Go down a little bit more. There you go. The lighting kind of went out a little bit there. So we're gonna head down a little bit more, and you can see lots of people just kind of hanging out on the steps. Macau. The lighting kind of captures the lighting of it a little bit. So the darkness, that brightness of that makes that kind of dark and hard to see. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And this is Ressurreição. So I think that their name continues to be down here. No, so down here, this is actually called Lago de Square, Company of Jesus Square is the name of this one. And then this goes into another little cool Portuguese cobblestone street. Equally worthy of walking down. And then this little thing, Largo de Campagna de Jesus, that's this big square that's on the other side. So while the left side is the Resurrection Street, the square of the Company of Jesus is this other street. So we're gonna walk over there. Okay. That's kind of proper because that just, there's Passion Street right around the side as well. So Passion, and you got that little one as well. Okay, so that was our street over there, that Ressurreição Street. And if you keep on walking down, you go towards, this is Rua de Sao Paulo, and then it goes all the way down to St. Paul's Street, and then Palha Street, and then St. Dominic Street, and then Senado Square. So, and there's all kinds of different ways you can meander from here, but that's the pedestrian way that people would navigate. So anyways, we are going to end our video right there. Ressurreição. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.